welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I've last uploaded on my YouTube channel, and that is because things have happened in my life. I just lost a lot of motivation to film for my YouTube channel. I just lost motivation, I lost inspiration, so I just took a break for 6-7 months. Nearly a year, but we are back with a new makeup full face testing try on video situation. Everything is cruelty free. There's also some vegan friendly products in this video, and it's going to be a long one because I tend to ramble, so let's get on to this face. Yes, thank you for coming back after 6 months because I haven't been here for a while. You're loyal. So first is primer, and for today's primer I'm going to go in with this little guy. This is from Elemis, and this is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. You can use it as a moisturiser and just have a really dewy, glowy look, or you can use it as a primer and put it under your foundation to give your radiance from within, glowy, goddess kind of look. So, foundation, and today we're using this little guy from Barry M. This is the Fresh Face Foundation. This has hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin C, so it's going for a dewy, luminous, lightweight, buildable coverage foundation. Next is concealer, and for today's concealer I'm using the Eye Bright Illuminated Under Eye Concealer in the shade Porcelain from Makeup Revolution, and this is very similar to the Maybelline Age Rewind. I can't remember what the actual name of that. You know what I'm on about, but it's very similar, so I'm just going to be here for a century until the product comes through. Time for some cream contour. This is the Fast Base Stick Foundation from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade F11, and this looks like a really good contour shade for me. I need something quite cool but quite warm at the same time. A bit of a more neutral undertone, so I'm just going to put that into my cheeks, my temples, my nose, everywhere that needs a little bit of shine. Next is setting powder. I don't have a new setting powder. That is the one thing I don't have. But I'm going to go in with this little guy. This is the Lace Translucent Setting Powder, Baking Powder from Revolution Beauty. Love this powder. That's why I don't have a new setting powder. So I'm just going to set the centre portion of my face, because that is where I get the most oily, the most greasy, and I want to stay matte and just matte, smooth, flawless looking. Next is some powder contour. This is the chocolate bar from I Love Revolution in the shade Fair, and it smells like chocolate as well, but don't eat it. Next is blush, and for blush I'm going to go into the little Bitesize blush highlight duo from e.l.f. and this is in the shade White Peach, and I also have this in another shade, but for today's shade I'm going to go with White Peach for a more corally peachy undertone, because that's the vibe we're going for today. Next is my favourite part of my makeup routine, is highlight. This is the Makeup Obsession Reflect Cosmic Glitters Highlighter, and I got the shade, this one. I got this peachy, corally, duo chrome pink highlight. I think it's fitting with the peachy contrast that we're going for with the blush, so I'm just going to stick this literally all over my face. Next are these very non-related brows. I'm going to be using the Laminate brow from Makeup Revolution. We have a brush, we have a pencil one side, and we have the gel with the spoolie brush on the other side. So I'm just going to go in and laminate my brow. So that is my brows done. I got this brow laminate pencil in medium brown, but it's actually a lot warmer than I would normally use on my brows. I tend to like a more darker brown, more of a darker brow, a bit more of a statement. So I'm going to go in with another brow pencil that isn't new. I've been using it for a while just to give it some more definition, a little bit darker. But other than that, I really like this product. To the eyeshadow, and this is the most gorgeous packaging I've ever seen. The most gorgeous palette I've ever seen. This is the Huda Beauty Gold palette, and I die for this colourway. To finish this look off is the lips, and for that I'm going to start off with this lip liner from Beauty Bay, and honestly I've been using this for like the last week, and this is like my favourite lip liner of all time now. Of all time. I got this in a quad, so there was 4 different nude liners, and this one that I'm going to be using today is in the shade Heather. Next I'm going to use this NYX Shine Loud lip gloss lipstick situation. I've seen it all over TikTok, I've seen it all over every social media, and I finally got my hands on it. It was so hard to get my hands on this because they are sold out left, right and centre. But we have a colour lipstick on this side, and then we have a gloss this side that makes it matte, that makes it non-transferable, so you could be kissing your partners all day long and they're not going to have kiss marks all over them. And this is the lip colour. I actually really like that product. I have tried transferable, it's not transparent at all. Everything that I've used in today's video will be listed down below for you guys as always. Everything is cruelty free, and some of it is also vegan friendly, which I will also list which is vegan friendly and which isn't, also down below, and where you can get them from I'll put links. If you did like this video, then please click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I don't know when my next video is going to be out. It's very hit or miss. I'm trying to revive my YouTube channel just a little bit because it's been a while since I've last posted. But yeah, if you liked it, let me know. Let me know. My Instagram is also down below if you want to follow me on there. I'm on there daily. Even when I'm at work, I'm on there daily. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.